The first step in setting up the Pivotal connector for Marketo is setting up the Marketo API service with a custom service that provides credentials to authenticate with Marketo. Credentials are needed to obtain an access token from the Marketo Identity Service. Each custom service is scoped to a single API-only user from which it derives its permissions. After creating the role, the user account is created and added to that role. The install guide with the Pivotal connector for Marketo provides a step-by-step instruction on completing the setup on your Marketo instance. Within the Pivotal application, we created a flexible and intuitive configuration user interface that allows customers to take control of what is synced as well as how often the system makes API calls to the Marketo instance. The REST section allows administrators to quickly establish connectivity to the Marketo instance. Once connection strings have been validated, the read-only valid API configuration field is marked as true, and your connection to your Marketo instance is ready. The Touchpoints section allows for custom mappings from Pivotal to Marketo or vice versa. This will be reviewed in more detail later in this video. Logging details allows for two forms of logging. Select database or file to write entries to. If a database is used, you can use the test connection button to ensure the settings are accurate. Now let's take a closer look at touchpoints within the Pivotal connector. The connector offers robust features for field mappings. We allow for components to be disabled when needed or simply leave them active so integration between systems will always sync. Selecting the data direction drop-down allows users to decide where the data is needed and how the data will sync. In the field mapping area, we provided table structure with fields for both Pivotal and Marketo, so synchronizing data is easy to configure. For this example, I have selected city from both Pivotal and Marketo. After selecting the Add Mapping button, the desired field is now ready to exchange data between systems. We have also added the Replace Sync button that allows newly added fields to be updated and synchronized. Now let's review the connector in action. Within the Leads and Contact forms, we've added our Marketo tab. This will show you the Marketo ID. We've also added a Do Not Sync flag that disables a user from synchronizing either from a lead or a contact. We are also displaying all activity that takes place within the contact and the lead. Let's take a deeper look at the connector by editing Becky Smith in the Pivotal application and watch the connector in action. We will modify the email address of Ms. Smith and watch this change synchronized to Marketo. It's that simple. If you have any questions regarding the Pivotal connector for Marketo or any other questions about Takara Solutions, please contact us at any time. And thank you.